Today we are cooking bitter leaf soup taught by my husband from Nigeria, Edo State. So my name is Ajara. Welcome to my channel. Here we begin. So the main ingredients we would need is fish. This is pre-cooked fish, but I also would be making some fresh one. So I've boiled my water, add into the cooking pot. This is a frozen meat. I don't have time to defrost it, so I'm just using a quick method, which is just put it in the cooking pot, cover it, leave it to boil for some time. My bitter leaf is here. Usually bitter leaf, as the name sound, is quite bitter, so I normally add hot water to reduce the bitterness and do it about 2, 3, 4 times. So main ingredients are onions that we will definitely need, ginger, garlic. Ginger and garlic are optional. Scotch bonnet, because most common ingredients are normally is Ogilisi, fermented locust bean, or crayfish. Both of them are used, and palmnut cream. So these are the main ingredients. So let's blend them together. So now my meat has defrosted, as you can see. So just trying to ensure that everything is clear or added well. So I'm adding my onions blended, and the pepper, the fish, pre-cooked fish. So I want the juice to combine with and that's turkey. So my husband loves his turkey, so I just add in it a little bit of salt as well. Added it could be seasoning. You can add seasoning or Maggi or Jimbo, whichever one is your preference. So that's my cooked fish. So I put it in the air fryer. Very convenient. So I'm adding the cooked fish in the water. This is just to allow everything to combine, or the flavor to enter every part of the fish, the meat. So consistency is very important. So let's take the fish out, and the turkey. So again, turkey is optional. Not everybody add turkey or chicken. So I'm adding my palmnut cream. So just stir, mix. Now let's blend our bitter leaf. I use the juice or from the pot. So I don't want to have excess water in my cooking. I want to see a certain level of thickness. So adding my bitter leaf in the liquid or soup now. Just stir, add the other quantity that I already blended. It's time to add the fish back in the soup. Stir gently and allow it to cook for maybe 3, 4, 5 minutes. Now you can see the bitter leaf soup is prepared, cooked, and it looks beautiful. So I usually enjoy bitter leaf, and over the years I've become better and better with cooking. So as I mentioned, I learned this dish from my husband, who is from Edo State. So we enjoy it as a family. Eat it with pounded yam. Oh, beautiful. So if you love my video, please comment down below. If there is something I'm missing or something that I can explore in the future, let me know. So as I stated, your process or method might not be the same as mine. But thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.